Dear citizens, the late Sri Benagal Narasimha Rao was a visionary statesman, administrator, constitutional expert, and scholar. He was the advisor to the Constituent Assembly. He prepared the first draft of the Indian Constitution. On the firm foundation that he laid down, did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Chairman Constitution Drafting Committee, build the magnificent structure, the Indian Constitution. Alas, whatever has happened to the goal and ideal, equal and dignified share in life and opportunities, the fabulous two envisaged for India. The greedy, cruel, corrupt, lecherous, shameless, and irrational are ruling the roost in the legislature, executive, judiciary, religion, literature, education, media. The honest have been silenced, hounded, and pushed to the brink of despair everywhere. People adore and respect the corrupt. The nation resembles a soulless body. And the Benegal household? Once the very embodiment of knowledge, culture, and values, the ancestral house of Benegal family is now just a mound of mud called Saraswataradi or Saraswat site. No, people have forgotten that too. In monarchy, it is the ruled reflect the ruler, and in democracy, the ruler reflects the ruled. Since we people are corrupt, our representatives and institutions are also corrupt. What we need for the emancipation of our individual and collective conscience is introspection. In the course of introspection, our first step is our march to Benegal. On August 15, 2021, Independence Day and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav period, unfurling the tricolour before Dr. Ambedkar's statue at the DC's office, Manipal, Udupi at 7 am, we begin the march. Benegal is situated on the left bank of river Sita, 28 kilometers away from Manipal. We will assemble at Benegal by 4 pm and disperse. There will be no speeches or stage program. However, several eminent scholars and thinkers such as Dr. Rohinaksha Shirlal and Sri Aravinda Chokkadi will be participating in the march and interact with the people. Who can participate? All those who are perturbed and pained by the present state of affairs of the country can join the march. If the words march and padayatre sound strange to the young ears, they can take it as a picnic or jolly trip to a scenic place. What will be the nature of the march? There will be no banners and flags except our march to Benegal. Strictly no scope or space for political agenda or agenda. There will be no leaders and VIPs, no felicitations, no garlanding, no donation, no expenditure. No one will distribute food, water, and snacks. No sloganeering, no preaching. This is an apolitical march for political purgation. Who are the organizers, you may ask? We, the victims of Udupi housing site scam, will just initiate and guide the march. The responsible citizens will join and make it happen. It is a known fact that all walks of life and levels of administration have degenerated. But during the course of our struggle to obtain justice, we are deeply disturbed to notice constitutional crises at every step of legislation, administration, and jurisprudence. We are also pained to see people blissfully putting up with malice in the society. Our fight for justice has evolved into a march, introspection, in search of the lost conscience. It is a matter of great pride that Benegal Sanjeev Rao, Ramarao, Narasimha Rao, Shivarao, Ramarao, Sham Benegal et al. Are from our land. True. But more than that, it's a matter of great moral responsibility. We are duty bound. Friends, now let me give some tips regarding the march. One can join and leave the march at any places such as Manipal, Kalsanka, Nittur, Santekatte, Uppur, Brahmavar, Kunjal and Cherkadi. You can also start your journey from your place and reach the destination. There are some specific places for lunch and refreshment. On the course of the march, washroom facilities arranged at 10 to 12 places. Every participant foots his own bill for whatever the small expenses he incurs. Political parties, religious institutions, and NGOs will not be permitted to distribute food, snacks, and water. At Benagal, we receive simple hospitality from the villagers and disperse. For any inquiry now and during the march, please contact the following numbers: 9141 836 255, 94499 23793, 94839 275580, 94487 23355, 98801 00901, 709033 8883, 8722 0033, 73383 03718. So, friends, let us meet on 15/8/2021, Sunday, our Independence Day at 7 a.m. at Manipal or wherever between Manipal and Benagal. Let us put steps together on the righteous path. March to Benagal, chit-chatting, thinking, loud and smiling. Come on, let us hit the road.